Hey there, tech enthusiasts and cloud aficionados. Today we're diving into some significant updates in the cloud technology sphere that could reshape how you manage your data, applications, and infrastructure in the upcoming months. From Amazon Aurora's expanded multi-region support to the latest developments in Kubernetes, these changes not only bring about new opportunities but also necessitate strategic planning. Stick around to understand how these shifts could impact your business landscape and what actions you should be considering right now. Several major updates have emerged, starting with Amazon Aurora's database query language expanding its multi-region cluster support to 4 more regions, introducing active clusters in places like Europe and Asia. Meanwhile, Kubernetes is preparing for its version 1.37 release with a host of changes and deprecated features that require our attention. Amazon's RDS for Oracle is now offering reserved instances for specific classes, promising up to 53% savings. AWS Lambda is also moving towards the future with support for Java versions on Amazon Linux 2023, urging users to plan migrations from the soon-to-be-retired Amazon Linux 2. Finally, Amazon CloudWatch announced managed Prometheus collectors, which simplify your data monitoring landscape but come at a cost. These updates have significant ripple effects. For companies reliant on global data availability, Aurora's multi-region clusters enhance resilience, although they could increase latency and costs. The Oracle reserved instances offer cost savings but require foresight and capacity planning. AWS Lambda's shift in its runtime environment means businesses need to migrate to the new platform swiftly to maintain support and efficiency. Plus, monitoring with CloudWatch's managed Prometheus enables streamlined operations, though it centralizes dependency on AWS services. Kubernetes version 1.37 feed's upcoming changes require careful adjustment to maintain secure and efficient cluster operations. Each change brings benefits but also asks for meticulous strategic planning to avoid potential pitfalls. Let's unpack these updates a bit more. Multi-region clusters in Aurora allow databases to be deployed in multiple locations, providing active configurations. This setup enhances disaster recovery but involves trade-offs with latency and cost due to increased data transfers. Reserved instances in AWS offer pricing discounts in exchange for a time-bound commitment, ideal for stable workload conditions. With the shift from Amazon Linux 2 to 2023 version for AWS Lambda, users gain access to more updated Java runtimes, crucial for future-proofing your Lambda functions. Meanwhile, the managed Prometheus collectors by CloudWatch eliminate the need for self-management of open telemetry collectors, easing the integration and scaling of metric collections across various AWS services. Kubernetes' latest iteration brings deprecations and new features, like dropping support in kube proxies IPVS mode, which necessitates back-end changes to avoid future disruption. From a business perspective, the expansion of Aurora's multi-region capabilities can significantly boost uptime for applications that rely on real-time data consistency across the globe. However, this comes with additional cost considerations, for both latency and data transfer. Reserved instances can optimize budgets but require precise forecasting and workload analysis. Lambda migration is unavoidable, and staying ahead with upgrades to newer Java versions could save businesses from future disruptions and security issues. Finally, fully managed solutions like the Prometheus collectors reduce technical overhead, allowing teams to focus on delivering insights rather than managing infrastructure. Kubernetes users will need to budget for thorough upgrade testing and transition planning to keep clusters secure and operational. Every technological advancement comes with potential risks. With Aurora's active clusters, the increased data movement could result in higher cross-region charges and latency issues, affecting your service-level objectives. Committing to reserved instances can be financially efficient, but only if forecasts align with actual usage. Misestimations can lead to squandered resources. For Lambda, staying too long on older runtimes may affect security and support. Meanwhile, relying heavily on CloudWatch's Prometheus collectors centralizes metric operation but could expose data if security measures aren't foolproof. Kubernetes changes risk-breaking current setups during upgrades if not properly tested, leading to possible downtime. Businesses must prepare their teams and systems for these shifts to mitigate disruptions efficiently. Here at Kimbodo, we suggest a proactive approach. Plan your adoption of multi-region capabilities by first assessing the specific needs of your applications. For reserved instances, conduct thorough load testing before committing to long-term contracts. When migrating Lambda functions, start with a step-by-step approach, moving to the new runtimes gradually and testing each transition. Embrace managed observability solutions like Prometheus sensibly, balancing automated ease with control over sensitive data. And for Kubernetes, treat impending deprecations as opportunities to fortify and streamline your infrastructure through rigorous testing and phased rollouts. As these updates unfold, strategic implementation becomes essential. To leverage their full potential while safeguarding against risks. Unlock the value of these cloud advancements in your enterprise. Start by charting an AI roadmap tailored to your business needs. Visit Kimbodo.com to request your personalized AI roadmap using our intuitive quote engine. For a thorough dive into the details, the complete article is available on Kimbodo.com, equipping you with insights to stay ahead in the rapidly evolving tech landscape.